Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Yep, in the same outfit, got the same hat, got the same lipstick I'm really not so thrilled about going on. You know how it goes. You know how it is. So I'm doing something a little different today. You know, I get my Birchbox, and I like getting my Birchbox. It's one of those boxes people love them, or they hate them, or and there's usually just no in between. I happen to like getting them. They're fun for me. But I actually got the Birchbox Man. Now, okay, everybody stop for a second and say, I know, I'm single. I've been single for 5 years. The prospect of me meeting a man actually is probably I have a better chance of winning the lottery than actually having a relationship at this point in my life. So, pray tell, why would I be getting a Birchbox Man? Well, because I buy stockings. Well, let's try that again, Leanne. I make stockings as Christmas presents for all of my cousins and nieces and nephews, and there's a lot of them. And I want to make them interesting, and I figured if I get a few months of this, I can collect all of the samples and put them in the stockings. Because, like filling a stocking, like you go out and you don't realize it's $3 here, $4 here for like toiletries and stuff. It freaking adds up. By the time you have to do like 20 stockings, you go broke. So let's see if this one is on par with the difficulty of getting into it as the regular Birchbox. And so far, yeah, no, I think they just torture us, you know, who get the regular Birchbox. But anyway, let's see what they have delivered to us. And this is actually very pretty. I happen to like this teal color myself. So there. Let's see what they gave us and if it will be useful and if any of the men who I have to give these things to will like it. Again, they also tell you what you're going to get. They give you manly things on the back. Let's see what we got. We got a Jack Black lip balm, which hopefully it has something in it. That's pretty cool. That can go in a stocking. We got a Billy Jealousy. This is a texturizing clay for your hair. I will have to give this to. I'm not sure which of the boys I will give it to, but one of them will like it. And by the way, none of my nieces and nephews are like, I don't have one that's under, or cousins, that's under like 17. So they're all older than that. So I don't get them toys and stuff. I have to get them big boy stuff. And this is from V76. Alright. By Vaughn, it says, and it is hydrating shampoo. It is a nice manly shampoo, so I'm sure somebody will love that. Why wouldn't they give us the conditioner to go along with it? I don't know. And this is from Kiehl's. This is called Facial Fuel, and it is an energizing scrub. And I'm sure one of them will like that. Also, this is Cambridge Night. I don't want to open it because it would be rude of me to do so, but I really can't smell it. My sniffer doesn't work that well anyway. I don't know. I will give it to someone. Let's see what like the full-size prices of this stuff is. So here we go. The Billy Jealousy. I'm tempted to keep some of this stuff myself, by the way. Alrighty then. The Billy Jealousy. Cheese. The texturizing clay. The full size of it is only $16, and it says this clay delivers malleability. They're getting fancy on us. And texture to the unruliest of hair. Okay. Oh, this is called English Laundry by the... No. Yeah, English Laundry by the Nights by Cambridge Night. And it says the full size of this is $70. It is a warmy. It really says warmy. That's not me, like, not being able to speak as usual. It says warmy. Okay. Musky scent that there's notes of lily, grapefruit, and jasmine. You would almost think that would sound feminine. I'm so tempted to smell that. Here we go. This is what I meant to hold up before. The Jack Black Intense Therapy Lip Balm, SPF 25, is natural mint and shea butter. The full size of it is $7.50. This is obviously not the full size, and it says the moisturizing balm repairs and restores dry, cracked lips. What else would you expect a lip balm to do? Just throwing that out there. The Kiehl's. This again is the facial fuel, because that sounds better than a fancy scrub for guys. The full size of it is $20. Kiehl's isn't cheap, but this is a decent size. And it says the caffeinated, I may keep this, wash provides a much needed energy boost for tired and dull skin. They won't miss this. Don't tell anybody. They won't even notice. Yeah, that wasn't even in there. Alrighty then. So yeah, this one, V76 by Vaughn. This is a hydrating shampoo. The full size is $19, and it says this ultra hydrating shampoo taps moisture, rich almond butter. Can't read without my glasses, but this is a little bit bigger. Maybe they're saying guys, can't read without their glasses either. Alrighty. And then they're saying it's beard worthy. They're trying to promote the things that guys need to encourage guys to actually go out and get this. Do you know, honestly, this would make a really nice gift. Like if I had a boyfriend, stop laughing. I would probably get this a yearly subscription for them, because I think it's cool, and I think the guys don't like to admit that they actually like those things. They'll never admit to us, but I really deep down in my heart feel that they do. So that is it. That is my experience with Birchbox Man. I think it's a great idea. I said I'm going to get a few more months, all the way up until Christmas, because I need to collect some more stuff for these stockings that I have to fill. And don't worry, none of them, hardly anybody in my family watches my channel, so no matter what I show on this channel, no one's going to see it. Anyway, have an amazing day, guys. Have an amazing week, as always. Thank you so much for watching. You have no idea how much I appreciate it. It means the absolute, total world to me. So I will see you guys very soon, probably tomorrow, in my next one, but not in the same outfit. I promise. Bye, everybody.